Unleash the law of attraction's secret weapon in your life, CBD oil. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. I want to remind you that that is exactly what this channel is all about. Your dreams, your goals, manifested. So be sure and subscribe and click the bell icon because we're here Monday through Friday with an empowering video for you and your dreams and your goals. Okay, so today we are talking about something that has become fairly popular in the health field called CBD oil or cannabidiol. It's extracted from the marijuana plant, but it doesn't include the THC or the substance that gets you high, okay? Doesn't include that at all. So you can take it without the fear of being able to drive or anything like that. You can do anything you want with it because it will not get you high. What it will do, I believe, is give you an incredible advantage in manifesting your goals and your dreams. Look, I'm going to talk about some roadblocks, some walls that stand between people accomplishing what they truly desire, living the life that they deserve. One of them is chronic pain. And there's been a number of studies out on CBD oil that it's been effective in the use of chronic pain. Now, again, I'm not a doctor. I can't recommend this to you. All I can do is share the information, and you can do further research and decide if it's right for you. But if you have arthritis, fibromyalgia, or some form of chronic pain, CBD oil may be right for you. I know in our home, when we pull a muscle or something like that, we immediately go for the CBD oil and rub it directly on the muscle. And within a short time, we seem to have that flexibility again, and the pain has subsided. Well, what is anxiety? Anxiety is a series of counter beliefs or fear-based beliefs that are going off coming from your subconscious mind. And recent studies have shown that CBD oil lessens anxiety. So think about this. If you have anxiety, you're filled with counter thoughts. You're filled with tension. And this is attracting more anxiety. In other words, anxiety attracts anxiety. I'm getting anxious. I got to attract more anxiety. And that's what a panic attack is. Most panic attacks are really the fear of fear. It's the fear of that panicky anxiety feeling in your body. And so CBD oil has been shown to be effective in reducing anxiety attacks. Now, I don't think it's like a Valium or anything. It's not something you can just take once and that's it. I think that you do the research on it, okay? I think it's something that you do on a regular basis. And over a period of time, you just begin having less and less anxiety attacks. Well, one of the worst enemies, huge enemies to the law of attraction is depression. I just don't feel like it. I don't want to get out of bed. I don't want to eat. I know I had dreams and goals. I don't want to do it. I don't care. And people get to this depressed state, and no matter how big their dreams are, how big their goals are, they just lose all the energy, all the power to go after those dreams. You know, we attract what we are, not what we want, right? So think about it. If you're depressed people are attracting more depression, and oftentimes they are attracting situations and people into their lives that fuel that depression. I know personally, I had somebody in my life many years ago, and I literally had to break off the relationship in order to be able to get rid of that influence, that negative influence in my life. Now, I still had a lot of inner work to do. So depression is a real challenge. And high flyers, I can tell you that depression holds you back from your dreams and goals. Well, research has shown, preliminary research has shown that CBD oil is a wonderful natural substance that you can use to curtail or lessen depression. And that's a wonderful thing, because if you have less depression and you have more optimism and more positive belief, if you're excited and motivated, if you're living your life with passion, you're attracting more of what you truly desire. So high flyers, as we tend to age and get a little bit older, we build up a plaque in our arteries. And this can oftentimes slow down the effectiveness of our heart action. And so when our heart action isn't pumping to its maximum capacity, we're just more tired and we're dragging. We don't have the oxygen flowing through our body, particularly into our brain. CBD oil, in some research, has been shown to help reduce plaque, reduce cholesterol, and open up those arteries so blood flows easier. Your heart has greater pumping action. And that's incredible, because that means you have the physical power to attract more. Look, bottom line is, I don't care whether you're looking to attract a relationship, a new job, a new career, a lot of money, whatever it is that you're looking to attract. If your body can't keep up with your desires, it's going to be difficult to get there. CBD oil can help you, particularly in the area of cardiovascular care. Now, again, this is preliminary research. You might want to check with your doctor on it, but I personally take CBD oil on a regular basis, and I have found for me, oh yeah, it's good. I like it. Now, number 6, it lowers your insulin levels. So some of you who are type 2 diabetics or on the verge of becoming type 2 diabetic, it will lower your insulin resistance, make you more sensitivity to insulin. And studies have shown that it can actually lower your body mass index, meaning you're going to lose a little weight, you're going to have a little bit more energy, and hey, that's good for attracting. That's great for manifesting. Well, number 7 on our list is, I believe, this CBD oil, in my own personal journey with it, I believe it increases consciousness. You just think more clearly and you're more aware of things around you. And I think that the reason for that is that CBD oil increases your dopamine level, which means less mood swings. Are you trying to attract something into your life? Are you working to attract something? And one day you feel, oh yeah, I will do this. I am doing this. It is happening. And the next day you go, oh, this is never going to happen. This is never going to come about. These could be mood swings because you're going through a lot of intensity right now. If you're a manifester, your life is intense and you may have some mood swings. And so having increased consciousness and reduced mood swings gives you a tremendous, it's like a secret weapon in the manifesting arts. And I believe it helps. I know in my own personal journey, CBD oil has helped tremendously. Now, the other one, and this is where it's helped me the most. Now, for you, you might find another area. Where it has helped me the most is deeper sleep. Look, your body repairs itself when you're sleeping. You need 6, 7, 8 hours of good, solid, deep sleep. And research has shown that CBD oil helps with deeper sleep, but I don't need the research. I know from my own personal experience that I sleep better and I sleep a little bit longer now. And I wake up refreshed. I wake up excited. I'm not waking up like this anymore. I'm just waking up excited and motivated and ready to take on the day. So I can't tell you to use CBD oil. What I can do is suggest that you do the research on it and decide if it's right for you. For me and for others that I work with, CBD oil is a secret weapon in helping you, giving you the tools you need within yourself to manifest the life you desire. We love you. Have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.